Mitraya Namaha. Thank you for being with the Energy Circles. Welcome to Energy Circles VSP 1080 channel. Identify the external attacks. They won't change, but you can. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. Identify the external attacks. Just don't care. Even if you are carefully driving on the road, abiding strictly by the traffic rules, there could be some accidents caused by the external forces who care not for the rules and regulations. They are habituated to indiscipline, arrogance, negligence, overconfidence, ego, and anger. They are born with jealousy, hatred, frustration, pseudo-intellect, and continuous failures. They are able to stay alive because they don't care to realize that the fault lies within them. They relax, throwing the blame on others shamelessly. They are worth nothing. They are embodiments of failure and disappointment. They cannot accept or witness the success of others. They satisfy themselves by criticizing, insulting, mocking, and making eyebrow comments upon others. They desperately crave to be recognized as more efficient and capable than those who succeed. Identify the external attacks. Trust me, they won't change, but you can. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. There are two types of people around. People who know too much about many things because they are just the donkeys which carry the sandalwood upon their backs. They practically do nothing worthwhile. They have excuses to win over an argument. They like to argue. They cannot survive without picking up an argument or a clash with someone. They like to kindle others and belittle them. If that does not happen, the day does not roll by properly to them. They will spend sleepless nights for another clash. They try to poke their noses into issues even as uninvited guests. They are experts in giving unasked advices. Observe them. They seldom give positive opinions about anything under the sky. They have ready-made capsules to prove that others are idiots. They thus enjoy the self-proclaimed intellectuality about themselves. They always move into comfort zones where there are few more dung-headed scumbags who clap at his analysis and tall talks. These are the people who carry very deadly, dangerous, negative vibes along with them. Oh God, they attack. Identify the external attacks. They won't change, but you can. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. The second type of people are those who know that they know very little about very few things, but they sincerely strive and learn to move up the ladder. Is this not the story we were taught in our childhood about the hare and tortoise? But the first type of people choose the sincere second type of people as their scapegoats, their victims. Thus, many innocent people are victimized and troubled. There are other types of tools they use to trouble others. They enjoy the pain of others. They are growing sadists. They are time killers. They have cock and bull stories to tell, thus shielding themselves from being identified. Learn to identify them quickly. Keep a distance. Do not succumb to their nasty, discouraging talk. They demotivate the aspiring winners. They pull the legs of the prosperous ones. Observe them keenly. They only emit negative opinions about all. The first type is very dangerous. They influence your supporters. They cause hurdles in your pursuits. They spread hate talks and falsehood. They keep searching for faults to corner you. They are quite busy gathering the like-minded negative groups. They can mess up your educational pursuits. They can mess up your sweet love story by spreading rumors and blames. They can break marriages. They can be the cause for abortions in families. They can throw stones or scratch upon your new vehicle. They can drive you towards buying illegitimate assets and invoke legal problems into your lives. They hate their own parents. They scold and torture their spouses and family members. They love to deal with litigations. They can stoop down to any extent. They cannot retain a marriage relationship. No successful person maintains a relationship with them. I tell you, identify these external attacks. They won't change, but you can protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. There is nothing like black magic. It is these people who are the crooked magicians. Even if you try to avoid them, they knock upon your door. They interfere. They involve without any invitation. They are bent upon obstructing or destructing the victorious. They enjoy plucking a bud and tearing it into pieces ruthlessly. They enjoy the suffering of others. They have no business to focus upon. They have nothing to really work upon a fruitful project. They are unfit. They are the most dangerous ones around. They make you sign blindly upon very valuable legal documents. They will pull you into the wicked game. They request you to be a surety or security for their loans. They attract you with false dreams and tall promises. They try to gain sympathy. They vanish from the scene at the very moment where you are cornered to reap the nasty consequences. They make tall talks and loud criticisms with the most poisonous tongue and harsh sarcasm. If a nasty dog attempts to snarl and bark at you, I'm sure you too will not squat down and give back the same. Sheer time waste. Don't ever hate them. Just move away. Simply neglect them. They are a liability to the society. They are poison. They are deadly viruses. Very cleverly cut them off from your orbit. And if you cannot, simply pay no attention. Don't hate them. Don't let them know that they are not in your list. Be diplomatic. Just smile off and be very formal. Don't take them serious. People who are habituated to carry dull, sorrowful, grumbling faces carry a lot of the negative energy. Identify them. People who cannot communicate without the usage of filthy, vulgar language and unlimited sarcasm carry huge negative energies. Films, teleserials and videos that talk negative, spill hatred and controversial talks should better be avoided. Understand the domains of high, healthy, positive vibrations. Let me give you few beautiful tips. Soak rock salt in water and take a bath before going to bed. You can continue to take shower with normal water after it. Visit Dattatreya temples on Thursdays and Durga temples on Fridays. Sit in the temple zone and breathe in positive energies. If you don't belong to a particular religion, you can choose any prayer place. You can go to any religious institution and spend peacefully some valuable time there. Apply turmeric paste to your palms once in a day. Meet elderly people and offer them a fruit or a flower and try to take their beautiful blessings. Do 7 parikramanas fairy around a cow, chanting this wonderful mantra. Om Surabhyai Sakala Devata Swarupinyai Namaha. Om Surabhyai Sakala Devata Swarupinyai Namaha. Om Surabhyai Sakala Devata Swarupinyai Namaha. Do 7 parikramanas around a cow and chant this mantra, any number. Feed the cow at least a plantain or grass. Avoid talking negative, discussing your problems with others, and anticipating sympathy. Every day or at least alternate day, spread the Sambrani Loban smoke in every nook and corner of your house and workplace, chanting Om Namah Shivaya mantra. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. Identify the external attacks. Protect yourself. They won't change, but you can certainly change. There are many remedies suggested in our traditional Vedic and Tantric Parihara Saravali. Tuesdays and Saturdays, visiting Hanuman temples and offering 108 betel leaves garland to the deity. This can be very helpful to you. It can pull away the buri nazar and the negative impact of people moving all around you and affecting your auric fields. Performing Manyu Sukta Parayanam or getting it done and Abhishekam to Hanuman and getting the Sindhur Dharan to the Hanuman idol, chanting Durga Saptasati and performing the Chandi Havan. These are all amazing remedies. Regularly chanting the Devi Khadgamala and offering Nivedan to the goddess, followed by Atidhi Seva, food offering to the priests or guests or both. Pratyangira and Bhuvaneshwari rituals, Aruna Parayanam, Pancha Sukta Parayanam and Goseva are considered as great remedial measures to shield ourselves. Energy Circle's attempts to reveal a very simple and powerful remedial positive tantra to quickly shield yourself from the negative. Trust me, this will protect you from all external attacks and wrong influences of negative characters and the curses of the evil. But remember our password. Faith is the master key and surrender alone is the password. Namo Simhavahini Devi. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika mudra. Identify the external attacks. They won't change, but you can. Remember this. Here you can see the beautiful Saura Kunjika yantra. You can easily draw this if you can look at it carefully. This is a beautiful symbol, a yantra symbol. Draw this yantra upon a paper and hide it inside the frame of any photograph and hang it opposite to the main door so that the person who enters your house first looks at that photo. Trust me, this yantra can penetrate into the auric fields of the opposite person and pull away if there are any negative vibrations in them. This is a very simple, basic yantra, sufficient enough to support your Simhavahini mantra chanting. The elaborate Bijakshara yantras, Saura Kunjika Mahayantra, with prescribed pujas, pacifications and prana pratishtas cannot be revealed openly in videos. Protect yourself through this beautiful Simhavahini yantra and the mantra which would follow, along with the amazing Saura Kunjika Mudra. Please follow the video clipping as revealed by Mittu Mahajan Yogi, a very staunch disciple of Nandu Baba, the Saura Kunjika Mudra. Touch all your right hand fingertips together, or bring them all to one point, all the 5 fingers of your right palm, as we do in our Arkavidya Mitras do the Sukri Mudra. All the right hand fingertips together and touch it slowly to the center of your left palm as you hold the right palm like a flower, enveloping gently with the 5 left hand fingers while you chant Vam, Sham, Hum once. Once again I tell you, this is the beautiful Darshana Mudra, the Saura Kunjika Mudra. Bring all the 5 fingers of your right palm to one point and then touch the center of your left hand palm as you hold the right palm gently with the 5 left hand fingers. That is, you envelop the other 5 fingers of your left palm upon the right palm and you chant along Vam, Sham, Hum once. Inhale and exhale, and the Saura Kunjika Mudra is on. Even if you remove the mudra, as long as you're seated in the asana, the mudra is on. It works. Look at this beautiful Saura Kunjika Yantra, which is very, very powerful. You do this wonderful Saura Kunjika Mudra. This is multi-powerful. Then you can do the wonderful Simhavahini mantra chanting. Please follow the video clipping which comes along. Protect yourself through Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika Mudra. Saura Kunjika Mudra, do this mudra as you chant the Simhavahini Shasana mantra and experience the high positive energy circles all around you. It's amazing and beyond judgment. This is very, very rare and precious. I always try to give you very precious mantras. You can look at all the videos upon Energy Circles channel, VSP 1080 channel. Each one is a phenomenal video. I have revealed several mantras and I'm doing this from the past 4.5 decades. Thousands of people all across India have been initiated into the very powerful yantra, mantra, tantra sadhanas. Identify the external attacks. Saura Kunjika Mudra. Yes, dear friends, identify the external attacks. Protect yourself through the Simhavahini mantra and the Saura Kunjika Mudra. Firstly, you have to draw the wonderful Saura Kunjika Yantra. Later, perform the wonderful Saura Kunjika Mudra, which is shown in the video clipping. Later, you have to reverently, with great devotion and dedication, with a pure mind, concentrating upon the form of Ma, beautiful form of Simhavahini Durga Devi, and chant this beautiful mantra 21 times only. You can do it more, but 21 times is very, very effective. And if you're suffering with deeper problems, you can sit down continuously on a particular Friday or a Sunday and chant this mantra 1 mala or 10 malas. This is a very powerful, vibrant, very, very activated Simhavahini Shasana mantra. Very rare a very big secret revealed to you. Trust me, this can do miracles. Yes, Simhavahini Shasana Mantra chanted 21 times. Om Hreem Eem Glaum Shreem Saum Aim Hum Namaha Sahasrekshanaya Shatasahasra Simhavadanaya Chandrakalavatамsini Shatru Samharakarini Pranashakti Swarupini Maya Mantra Viharini Netrapitha Nilaye Mahakrutye Patalakali Mahabhairavi Ashtadikpalana Kone Vajrakali Mahabhayapida Dushtakrida Vidvamsini Saurakunjike Trikuteshwari Tripureshani Sanchara Sadguru Shasane Maharaksha Kavachini Om Chha 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 Shantim Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Hreem Eem Glaum Shreem Saum Aim Hum Namaha Sahasrekshanaya Shatasahasra Simhavadanaya Chandrakalavatамsini Shatru Samharakarini Pranashakti Swarupini Maya Mantra Viharini Netrapitha Nilaye Mahakrutye Patalakali Mahabhairavi Ashtadikpalana Kone Vajrakali Mahabhayapida Dushtakrida Vidvamsini Saurakunjike Trikuteshwari Tripureshani Sanchara Sadguru Shasane Maharaksha Kavachini Om Chha 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 Shantim Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Hreem Eem Glaum Shreem Saum Aim Hum Namaha Sahasrekshanaya Shatasahasra Simhavadanaya Chandrakalavatамsini Shatru Samharakarini Pranashakti Swarupini Maya Mantra Viharini Netrapitha Nilaye Mahakrutye Patalakali Mahabhairavi Ashtadikpalana Kone Vajrakali Mahabhayapida Dushtakrida Vidvamsini Saurakunjike Trikuteshwari Tripureshani Sanchara Sadguru Shasane Maharaksha Kavachini Om Chha 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 Shantim Kuru Kuru Swaha. Om Hreem Eem Glaum सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मंत्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुंजिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मंत्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुंजिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मंत्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुंजिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्ति स्वरूपिणी माया मंत्र विहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चंद्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्ति स्वरूपिणी माया मंत्र विहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चंद्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्ति स्वरूपिणी माया मंत्र विहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चंद्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्ति स्वरूपिणी माया मंत्र विहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी। ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी। ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी। ॐ छः 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 शान्तिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरुशासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छः 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चन्द्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मन्त्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरु शासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छह 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम ह्रीं ईं ग्लौं श्रीं सौं ऐं हुं नमः। सहस्रेक्षणाय शतसहस्रसिंहवदनाय चंद्रकलावतंसिनी शत्रुसंहारकारिणी प्राणशक्तिस्वरूपिणी माया मंत्रविहारिणी नेत्रपीठनिलये महाकृत्ये पातालकाली महाभैरवी अष्टदिक्पालनकोणे वज्रकाली महाभयपीडा दुष्टक्रीडा विध्वंसिनी सौरकुञ्जिके त्रिकूटेश्वरी त्रिपुरेशानी संचार सद्गुरु शासने महारक्षा कवचिनी ओम छह 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 शांतिं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा। ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अजितांगभैरवाय विश्वतोमुखाय ऐरावताय कल्पवृक्षाय अक्षयाय अभयगजमुद्राय केशराय उपदेशप्रकरणाय जागृताय अनंतरक्षकाय आदित्याय सत्याय जगत्कल्याणकारणाय शीघ्रवरप्रदायते नमो नमः। ओम शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु। घृणिसूर्यादित्यवो घृणिसूर्य आदित्य पूर्णानन्दाय ओम। नारायणं सूर्यनारायणं अर्कनारायणं पूर्णनारायणं। शान्तिरस्तु पुष्टिरस्तु जयोस्तु अविघ्नमस्तु आरोग्यमस्तु दिग्विजयोस्तु।